you ever wondered where tomato sauce, a staple in every kitchen, originated from? This ubiquitous red condiment, which effortlessly lends its tangy sweetness to dishes worldwide, carries a history as rich and complex as its flavor. From Italian pasta to Mexican enchiladas, from American pizzas to Chinese stir-fries, tomato sauce has woven itself into the very fabric of global cuisine. But where did it all begin? How did this humble fruit become the world's favorite sauce? So let's dig into the rich and delicious history of tomato sauce. Believe it or not, the tomato sauce did not originate from Italy, as many might think. The truth is, the humble tomato's story begins in a place far from the cobbled streets of Rome or the vineyards of Tuscany. It begins in vibrant Mesoamerica, home to the ancient Aztecs and Mayans. In the rich soils of this region, tomatoes grew wild, their red fruits providing a splash of color amidst the lush green landscape. The indigenous people, resourceful and innovative, began to use these tomatoes in their cuisine. They would crush the ripe fruits, creating a rudimentary yet flavorful sauce, which they would use as a base for their dishes. Then, in the 16th century, something remarkable happened. Spanish explorers arrived in Mesoamerica, captivated by the unfamiliar sights, sounds, and flavors. Among the treasures they discovered was the tomato, a fruit unlike anything they had seen or tasted before. Intrigued by its vibrant color and unique flavor, they brought the tomato back to Europe. It was a long journey across the Atlantic, but the tomato made it, tucked away in the holds of the Spanish galleons. This was the beginning of the tomato's journey, from an unknown plant in the New World to a culinary superstar in kitchens around the globe. The tomato had left its birthplace, but its legacy was only just beginning. The tomato, and by extension tomato sauce, had a rocky start in Europe. Imagine this: a vibrant red fruit arrives from the New World, its juicy allure inviting curiosity, yet it's met with suspicion. Yes, when tomatoes first landed on European shores around the 16th century, they were met with wary eyes and cautionary tales. People believed them to be poisonous. A strange fruit indeed, don't you think? Now let's fast forward a couple of centuries to the 1700s. A shift in perception began to brew. The fear of the tomato started to wane, and acceptance slowly took root. In the sun-dappled fields of Italy, farmers began to cultivate this once feared fruit, and a new era of European gastronomy was about to begin. The first recorded recipe of tomato sauce in Italy dates back to the late 18th century. This recipe, as simple as it was transformative, consisted of tomatoes, garlic, oregano, and a splash of olive oil. These humble ingredients, when simmered together, created a sauce that was more than the sum of its parts. The vibrant red sauce, with its robust flavor and tantalizing aroma, began to find its way into the heart of Italian dishes. From pizzas to pastas to the humble bruschetta, the tomato sauce was a game changer. With this, tomato sauce began to simmer in the heart of Italian cuisine. From Italy, tomato sauce began to spread its delicious influence worldwide. It was Italian immigrants who carried this luscious red treasure in their hearts and suitcases as they journeyed to new lands. And wherever they went, they brought with them their love for food and, of course, their tomato sauce. When the Italian diaspora reached the United States in the late 19th century, they not only brought their culture and language, but also their cuisine. The tomato sauce was now being shared with a whole new world. It was in the bustling streets of New York and Chicago that the first pizzerias sprang up, introducing Americans to the delights of tomato sauce. From pizzas to pastas, to the humble meatball sub, tomato sauce became a staple in the American diet, and it was here that it began its journey to becoming a global sensation. But it wasn't just in America. Italian immigrants influenced cuisines all over the globe. From Argentina to Australia, tomato sauce found its way into local dishes, adding a touch of Italian flair to traditional recipes. In Argentina, tomato sauce is now an integral part of their world-famous empanadas. In Australia, it's hard to imagine a barbecue without a side of tomato sauce. By the late 19th century, the commercial production of tomato sauce had kicked off. Brands like Heinz and Del Monte began mass-producing tomato sauce, making it easily accessible to everyone, everywhere. The convenience of a ready-to-use sauce that could be stored for long periods was a game-changer. It meant that the taste of Italy could now be enjoyed in homes across the globe, no matter the distance from its Italian roots. And thus, tomato sauce has found its way into our hearts and our kitchens. From a simple ingredient born in the heart of Italy, it has traveled across continents, transcending cultural boundaries and uniting us all in our love for good food. It's more than just a sauce. It's a testament to the power of food to bring people together, to create a sense of home, no matter where you are in the world. Today, tomato sauce stands as a testament to the culinary journey of a humble fruit. It's a story that began in the fertile soils of Mesoamerica, where the tomato was first cultivated. Here, the Aztecs developed the earliest known form of tomato sauce, using it as a simple yet flavorful addition to their meals. The tomato then embarked on a journey across the Atlantic, finding its way to the soils of Europe. It was in Italy, a nation famed for its gastronomy, where the tomato was truly embraced. The Italians transformed this New World fruit into a culinary staple, creating the tomato sauce we know and love today. But the tomato sauce didn't stop there. It traveled across continents and oceans, touching every corner of the globe. It found its way into the heart of every culture's cuisine, from the rich curries of India to the spicy stews of Africa and the hearty casseroles of North America. Each region added its own unique twist, creating a myriad of variations to this versatile sauce. And so, the humble tomato sauce has left an indelible mark on the world's culinary landscape. It has evolved from a simple Aztec condiment to a universal symbol of gastronomy, a testament to our shared love for food and flavor. Next time you open a jar of tomato sauce, remember, you're not just cooking with a sauce, you're cooking with history.